can you hear me? Because I can't hear you. It is nighttime. We got a couple boats, and the pier from this morning looks like they just kind of lit it up a little. There's a, you guys can see over there, it's just like some basic markets. Now we just got a bunch of lights everywhere. If you guys ever come out here, it's called Gravy Baby. You guys see that over there? That is a must go. It's a really nice spot. They serve all kinds of food, even Western food. I got a steak over there that was actually not bad. Here, the tuk-tuk's back there. But yeah, it's reasonably priced too. It is a little more pricey, but you are, look where you are, man. You're on a river next to the bridge that crosses into the historical area. So my recommendation, if I've ever given one, that's it right there, is check that place out. Also, Casa de Real? Yeah, Casa de Real. Check that place out. It's actually a really nice spot. It is a little pricier though because it's a resident place, but you do get a nice discount. It is a nice area. Look at that, man. Like that's like the back restaurant part. It's not really open that much though, but you have like that. We have another boat. These girls are looking for trouble. Yeah, we have Harry Cafeteria. That sounds like a jail. Nice little music going on. There is a police station right here, so if you do get shot 5 times, there you go. It's so calm. And you can see what I mean by like Malaysia being calm. It's like really quiet out here. So there's your Gravy Baby. Yeah, you can see here it's got like the burgers, steaks and whatnot. Steak is really good actually. Isn't that wild? A violin player rocking it. Isn't that crazy? Dude, she's good too. I mean, I don't know. There's like so much background music going on. What song is that? Do you guys know? She did really good. I don't know if that's like, I can't tell. It's so loud, but it's good. You see those shits right there. This is wild, man. And then right here we have the Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, dude, it's so quiet. This is, yeah, see the TV? It's on the bottom right there. This is Hard Rock Cafe. It is dead. And I'm saying that because usually Hard Rock is they're extremely loud. Like, especially when they got open patios like that, you can hear them from anywhere. It doesn't matter what country you're in. Even in Japan, they're wild. But it's just like dead. But there's like nobody really in there, it looked like. Like it's just dead. So I don't know. Maybe even the American companies out here kind of suffer the time shutdown of like 8 o'clock. And then we're getting to the bar here. Oh, I don't drink. Sorry. Yo, it's so weird walking by bars and be like, no, I don't drink. That's such a weird thing to say after 25 some years of being a raging alcoholic. Yeah, I admit it. Yeah, it's like some of those bars. These kind of look as dead. Like people are just waiting. Yeah, that's kind of that's the hype of the party right there. Yeah, that is slow. Let me know below if you're Malaysian, you've been here before, or if you're a tourist that's been here before. Is it always that dead, like year round? Because I know it's an Islam country, so things are a tad different. But does it ever just go insane? Let me know, because that looks ridiculously slow back there. I mean, the boats are like what's popping. They're all full. This is like the opposite side. It's not that loud though. Everything else is dead. Riverside Cafe Part 2 with a random Western guy there. This one's just got like, I guess it's the bar right outside the door of the bar. And then on this side, if you guys are wondering, it's just shops. And you see we come to, like, this strip isn't that long either. But it's just such a nice spot. Because, I mean, you're on the river chilling. And it's just, it's clean, it's organized. You don't have beer bottles in the water. Or you imagine this is like in Saigon or something. Like, seriously. Like, have you guys been to the Saigon River? I'm always effing with you, Vietnam. But, I mean, you kind of ask for it. I mean, you're gonna be that way, you're gonna get that way, right? So either way, just keep taking a walk. Here's where all the AC units are for my room. So my boss. Anyways, so we're kind of coming. There's a violin girl again. Oh, look at this. We can see the Hard Rock from here. So you can see here we got like some people up here, and the rest of it's like empty. There's really nobody out there. And the tourist area right here is just, it's ghosted. And again, I totally understand this. Malaysia doesn't stay out late and get drunk. I get that. It's such a different view on Southeast Asia.